Everyone, my name's Cheryl from the Healthy Lifestyle team. So we're still doing healthy tea time meals. So I've got a really easy one today using leftover chicken from maybe if you've had it at weekends, so on a Sunday, you've got some leftover chicken. We're going to use it and we're going to make a chicken and halloumi burger. So I've already made some wedges and these are on another video. So I've just done oregano, garlic, a little bit of olive oil, cut some potatoes up. Remember portion sizes. So for a child it's as big as their fist, for an adult it's as big as your fist. So do how many people you're cooking for, and it's one potato each. So I've already done my wedges, so they're done. And then I've got a little muffin. This is a seeded one and I've toasted that. So I'm going to make some tzatziki today because we're going to be using a chicken, halloumi and tzatziki burger with some wedges and some salad. So really quick, easy, nutritious meal. So I've got some natural low-fat Greek yogurt here, and to that I'm going to add some garlic. Again, these are really handy store cupboard ingredients to have in. I'm going to mix that in. I'm going to add some oregano because it's got a little bit of a Greek theme to it, this meal. So that's going to give it some nice authentic Greek flavours. Then I've got some chopped cucumber. I'm going to pop that in. So tzatziki is so easy to make and really tasty. So just give that a mix. Again, not many ingredients. Low-fat Greek yogurt, lovely fresh cucumber, some garlic, some black pepper goes in as well, and some oregano. So this is a really nice dip that you can have, but we're going to put this onto our burger. So as simple as that. I've already prepared some salad, so some tomatoes, red onion, cucumber and salad that we're going to have on our burger. So all I'm going to do, you can make this in the morning and just fridge it till you're ready, but it's just getting some nice flavours. So onto my burger I'm going to put some tzatziki, and then this is just the leftover chicken from Sunday dinner, so I'm going to pop some chicken on. Obviously you'll be doing as many burgers as you need for your family. Then I'm just going to do another layer of tzatziki like that. Some halloumi. All I've done is char grilled the halloumi and got that ready. Another layer of tzatziki, giving it lots of flavour. It's really tasty this, and a little bit different. Nice if you've got some nice weather as well. And on top of that I'm going to pop a little bit of salad. Just use salad that your family likes, but it's just another way to get our 5 a day. Some nice red onion on the top like this. And that is so quick and easy. And I'm going to put my burger bun on the top like that. I'm going to serve some wedges with it. Again, you can make these spicy wedges. These are just oregano and garlic, as I said. And then I'm going to do my side salad with that, what's left over. And there we have it. So simple, easy and nutritious. A leftover chicken and halloumi burger with tzatziki. And we'll have a little bit more tzatziki on the side. So that is so quick and easy, really nutritious, using some leftover chicken. So hope you enjoy this really easy tea time meal, and I'll see you next time. Bye.